So now what we're gonna do is, we're gonna give you this angle, just like when you were in class. If you were in class, and I got people lined up, I'm gonna hand it back to them, right? So we give you the fourth angle. Fourth angle, the basic move, the basic number one of the four basics. Remember, it's 2 feet up. So you're going 1, 2, you're stepping back on 3. Slide over 4, because we're getting back on, right? Get back to our starting point. This is 4, this is 5, we're stepping back, 6, and 7, and 8. We'll do it again. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And with that back move, you'll be able to mirror my move. We want you all to see it from all angles. We ain't missing it. We're just gonna get it. That's our basic. Remember, one more time. We're going 1, 2. Right foot in front of the left foot. Don't give me this. Don't give me that back foot on the second move, on the second step. That's not the first move. So do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Black History Month. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do our first basic steps, and we're not doing it to music. So then after we do our basic, we're giving you the first 4. So after we do these steps, then we're going to bring them to music, and you all can see exactly how this looks dancing. You know, the method to the madness. Ball method, good foot steppers, productions. Get at me. Okay, so let's go. Basic step, left foot first. We're going 1, 2, 3. Over. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you notice there's a pause. Remember there's a pause? There's another pause. 7, 8. So we pause in 1, 2, 3, pause. 4, 5, 6, pause. 7, 8. One more time. 2, 3. And we're going to go and give y'all one more. Remember, these videos are made so that you can rewind them. So if you're having trouble, just rewind the video. It's a beautiful thing. It's the best, fastest, easiest, most fun way to learn how to step. The ball method with my lovely assistant, Vanna Black, known as Cat. All right, good people. Now, we understand the method to the madness. Now we're going to do it to music. Because you all got to get all this. Come on now. We got to get this. Okay, now we're going to do the basics to the music. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. That's our number one basic.